In the heart of ancient India, a brilliant strategist, philosopher, and teacher changed the course of history with his wisdom. His name was Chanakya. His teachings, compiled in Chanakya Niti, continue to guide leaders, entrepreneurs, and thinkers worldwide. In just a few minutes, let's unlock some of his most powerful lessons for success, leadership, and life. Lesson 1. Power of Strategy and Planning. Chanakya believed that success is not just about talent, it's about strategy. He famously said, "Before you start any work, always ask yourself 3 questions. Why am I doing it? What could be the result? And will I be successful?" Careful planning leads to victory. Lesson 2. Control over emotions. One of Chanakya's most profound lessons is about emotional control. He warned that anger, greed, and impatience are the biggest enemies of success. He advised, "A person who cannot control his words and emotions will always regret his actions. True leaders think before they act." Lesson 3. Importance of self-reliance. Chanakya was a strong advocate of self-reliance. He said, "A man is born alone and dies alone. He experiences the good and bad consequences of his karma alone. Depending too much on others for success can be a weakness. Build your own strength." Chanakya's lessons aren't relics of the past. They are blueprints for thriving in today's fast-paced world. Strategic thinking puts you ahead of the game, emotional control keeps you steady under pressure, and self-reliance is the ultimate superpower. Success isn't handed to you, it's built step by step, plan by plan. So, take the reins of your life, trust your instincts, and chart a future that's uniquely yours. The tools are timeless. The outcome is up to you. If these timeless lessons inspired you, don't keep them to yourself. Hit that like button, share this wisdom with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Together, we can bring ancient wisdom to modern minds. Let's grow together on this journey of self-discovery.